So, you still have an HP Designjet 1050 or 1055. Well, that's not surprising since there's an estimated 60,000 in the world today still out there. The HP 1000 series has been popular in the design, construction, and GIS industry for many years, and it has been considered a legend in its time. Well, its time has come. So what's next? Well, I'm here to tell you a little bit about the next generation of legendary HP products. So do you really need to upgrade your Designjet 1000 series printer? Chances are the answer is yes. The Designjet 1000 series stopped production years ago, which means HP no longer supports driver upgrades, hardware, technical support. Another thing to consider is that as of April 8, 2014, the XP operating system for Microsoft will no longer be supported by Microsoft. So those using the XP operating system to the HP 1000 series are going to start to find other issues with compatibility. Other things to consider are the compatibility with the current versions of CAD programs, Adobe Suite programs, as well as Microsoft Office 2003, which support will be discontinued April 8, 2014 as well. So what will the next HP legendary printer be to replace the 1000 series? Glad you asked. As an award-winning wide format specialty company, RPG specializes in selling, servicing, and supplying wide format equipment. As we're filming this video today, RPG currently has over 70 of the HP 1000 series out in the field today. We have recently replaced over 50 of these devices with the current replacement device from HP. So to replace the HP 1000 series, HP has come up with three models in particular: the 920, the 1500, and the 2500. We're going to start with the 920, which is a single roll printer. The T920 is a front load device with an automatic alignment capability, which makes it very easy to load paper. In fact, it saves about 40% of your time as compared to the Designjet 1000 series. The ink system on the old 1000 series had 4 inks, the traditional cyan, yellow, magenta, and black. The new T920 comes with 6 inks, with traditional cyan, magenta, yellow, as well as matte black, which is a pigmented ink and can be used outdoors and resists water, as well as gray ink for true representation of neutral grays, and a photo black, which is used for doing high-end media such as photo base. The new T920 also has a single print head designed to last for years and requires no cleaning unit, whereas the old 1000 series has one print head and one cleaning unit per color. So you print out a set of plans or multiple sheets. With the old 1000 series, they would drop down into the bin, and you'd end up having to go over and grab them all out of the bin, put them back in order. Takes a little bit of time. With the new T920 series, there's a 50-sheet top output tray, which neatly holds all 50 sheets before you need to take them out. Very convenient, very time-saving. In fact, on the T920, when you hit print, you can go to lunch, come back, they'll all be there nice and neatly waiting for you. Another nice feature of the T920 is that when you walk up to it, you'll notice it has a flat surface, a low flat surface to it. You can actually get a roll of plans, open them up on top of the machine, and flip through your plans. Very convenient. So let's make a print. I've got a USB thumb drive that I'm going to walk up to the 920, and we're going to go ahead and print it. What I think you'll find very interesting compared to the old 1000 series is that we're going to print this high-end graphic image on regular 20-pound bond. Now, if you printed this same exact drawing on 20-pound bond on your old 1000 series printer, do you really think that would dry quickly? And how about the cockling or the warping it would do to the paper? Not a really good look, is it? So this just goes to show how efficient the ink lays down on the paper with the new T920. I have a print of this exact same file that I did earlier on photo-based material. Take a look at this. Is time money? If that's the case, then when my wife goes to the mall, she's making a lot of money. So when we're talking about saving time, if time is money, let's talk about a few of the advantages. It saves you about 40% of the time changing paper. It saves you dramatic time when you're trying to print out multiple sets from having to go to the bin and take them out. It also saves you flat out production time. The speed of the T920 is around 3 prints per minute, When you compare it to the old 1000 series, it prints at just about a minute per print. So that's a dramatic savings in time right there. And think about it, 3 prints per minute speed is starting to approach the old LED toner device solutions. And speaking of saving time, the new T920 comes with 32 gigabytes of memory. What did the old 1000 series HPs have? Around 64 megabytes of memory. That's a dramatic difference in processing time, which means when you hit print, you're going to get your prints considerably faster. Let's take a look at the difference in the square foot cost to operate the new T920 versus the old 1000 series. For the 1000 series, it is 37 cents a square foot to operate, including media, ink, and service. For the new T920 series, the actual cost is more like 16 cents a square foot. That's a dramatic savings for you, dramatic cost difference. With all of these time and cost savings, you must be thinking it has to cost a lot more than the old 1000 series. Not the case. The 1055 CM, when last produced, had a manufacturer's suggested retail price of $10,995. Some other nice features about the T920 include when your Windows XP is no longer available for support, this is completely compatible with Windows 7 and 8, so it's not an issue. Also, it is an e-printer. It's available on the cloud through HP's ePrint and Share, which gives you up to 5 gigabytes of space to share with others on the cloud. And you can also use it with Apple and Android applications, such as iPhones, tablets, things like that. And you can print to it remotely from an email address. Somebody sends you an email file, you can just email it to the printer and it'll print automatically for you. Now let's talk about the next 2 printers and the differences, the advantages that they offer above and beyond the T920. So would there be an advantage to having 2 rolls for you? Perhaps you want to have different size media loaded up, or perhaps 2 different types of media. That's where the T1500 comes in. The T1500 adds a second roll below the first roll with the exact same easy loading operation. Other differences include, instead of 32 gigs of virtual memory, it comes with 64 gigs of virtual memory. That's 1,000 times more than the old 1000 series of memory. Need the ability to copy and scan? The 2500 has an integrated scanner sitting on top. This gives you the ability to scan at 600 dpi, save files to PDF, TIFF, or JPEG, and scan directly to the cloud so that somebody else can access the file instantly. The T2500 series, MSRP is pretty much the same price as what that single-rolled old 1000 series used to cost about 10 years ago. My name is Dean Southey and I'm with RPG Digital Print Solutions. Looking for a quote? Give us a call, 301-498-3225, and ask for sales. More than happy to help you out.